Okay, today we're going to be demonstrating how to install a John Crane component seal into our Griswold 811 ANSI small power frame pump. I'll let Wayne take it away.
Alright, we got a small power frame here. We got a gland that's going to go onto the stuffing box. First thing you want to do is put the seal. And it has a relief on the bottom of it. That's going to get installed into the gland facing down on the very bottom. So that would go on this side of the gland. A little bit of lube on the O-ring. Push it into the gland. Wipe off any excess grease that may have gotten on your fingers. Okay, we've installed a encapsulated O-ring. That's going to be our seal point on the stuffing box itself. Flip that over. Put it onto the stuffing box. Put our bolts on. Just far enough. The next thing we do is we take our sleeve and our seal, and from the end of the sleeve, shaft side out, you want to measure 1.1 according to this John Crane seal for this particular style pump. You should check your manual and it'll tell you. I have my caliper set for 1.1. We measure. Okay, we have that set 1.1 from the front of the sleeve. Drop our spring on. A little bit of lube on the seal itself. Push that over. Wipe off any excess grease. Next thing we do is we put our stuffing box into a power frame. Take our seal, slide it on in. Be very careful. Move the gland so that goes past that seal face. Propeller. A little bit of lube on that. Teflon O-ring. threads. And tighten this gland as straight as possible. So it makes a flush seat with the stuffing box.